Hey, welcome to Bald Eagle Garage. Today on the channel, I'll be replacing the third brake light on this truck. And it's Bald Eagle first. Got my first sponsor. LaSauce sent this out to me. I'll put the link down in the description. It's pretty cool. It's a third brake light. It's LED. It's smoked. Let's install it. See how quick and easy this is. Alright, so here's the product. Let's open it up. We have the light. And looks like it's got a LED resistor as well. These are gaskets for the hardware that goes on both sides. And this is the gasket. We need the middle part. We need it like that. We'll go back here. So you can see on the old one here, nothing's really wrong with it. Could probably be shined up a bit. It is, it's got some oxidation in it. It's got, you know, some old cracking, but it's not leaking or nothing. But adding this light here, the new one will dress up the back of this truck a little bit. This looks like all we need is a Phillips screwdriver. On the back side, we just unclip this guy. Like that. New one. Let's cut that. Pull this plastic off. I believe we want the sticky side to be on the part. These are rather sticky. I get the feeling like when that's in there like that, it's going to create a rattle. So being resourceful, we have this other padding here. If I just stick this padding in there like that and stick it down in there, it'll probably be okay. There's no other use for this, so and I'm also going to zip tie this onto here. Put it back in there. Also, the kit came with these 2 rubber gaskets, and I can only assume these go on the screws. Let's prep your screw like that. Alright, it's nice and snug. Use the cargo lamp. And the brake. So overall, it did pretty good. It's easy install. It's definitely one of the easiest ones. All you need is a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and you know, I'd recommend the cable ties. That should be good. Should look good. Well, there you have it. The third brake light is installed. The cargo lights work pretty good here in the daytime. We'll see what they look like at night. And I want to thank you, LaSauce, for sending that out to me. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to buy one for your truck. Make sure you like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned because you never know what I'll be fixing next.